Hey, what is going on, dudes? Gaming with Dan here, back with another video. Today we're going to be playing Subway Surfers. Trying to get a better score. Kind of nervous. Actually very nervous. Lying. Not that nervous. Add. Let's go. I actually just started this game not a few days ago, and as you can see from my score right there at the right, it says top round. I've been doing well. Okay, not doing bad. Do you guys think I should make this a series from like Subway Surfers from the beginning? If y'all want me to do that, like this video right now. Also, I want to challenge some people. First shout out goes to Mr. Cool Gaming. Thanks for subscribing. And also Jack Cat Master, thanks for subscribing. Links will be down in the description for the YouTube channel. And yeah, hope you enjoy the videos. Just saying. Some videos are cringy, some are not. Just depend on what kind of YouTuber they are. I might be posting a vlog tomorrow or the day after that, but I will be posting. Oh god, I missed the box. I suck. Which I'm actually gonna challenge one of my friends named Jack Cat Master. I mean, not Jack Cat Master, not him. He, I guess, quit YouTube. I actually want to challenge Mr. Cool Gaming. If you're watching this video, I challenge you to a Subway Surfer challenge. Try to beat my score. Probably can't even beat my score because I'm so good at this game. I'm just kidding, I'm not that good. I'm not a legit beast. Hope I don't crash. I don't know why, I don't want to talk right now, I'm actually really concentrated. I'm trying to beat my score, it's gonna take me really long. taking like an hour or so. Yes, key, yay. Finally. Got a lot of gold. I really want to buy the monster board. I could afford it, but I want to unlock its power-ups. That's what I'm gonna do. Oh yeah, by the way, I'm sorry I haven't been uploading that much. If you guys, I've also posted a Bowmasters video. Hope you enjoyed that video. If you want me to make a series on that game, comment down below and like. But if you don't want me to, then I'll just randomly play it. Oh wow. I jumped and it lagged on my screen. Here we go, hover the ball. Alright. Yeah, as you can see, oh god, ads, I hate ads. Okay, so I also could get, I get some people, but I'll just stick with my boy. My boy, freaking Jake. I also have the other person, the girl, which I don't really want to use. Kind of like the shark board or the great white board, I guess. Oh, yeah, I could afford it, but I really want like its power-ups. After this video, I might eat actually. Which is bound to happen. Oh, a jetpack. I like jetpacks because to give you like if you max them out, they can last very long. Which means like if you have a really good score, you don't like have to struggle because you gotta run all the to your score. The jetpack kind of does not allow that because it's a jetpack that can ride for a very long time if you max it. If you don't, then it won't last that long. But it'll last you some sort. I don't have mine maxed out. Oh, another one? Wow. Getting pretty lucky. I suggest you should upgrade the 2-time multiplier or the jetpack because to be honest, I suggest you upgrade the jetpack first. So you get a longer distance than if it were for an original one. Or not upgraded or anything like that. I just finished playing it. I just finished playing a game on my Xbox. My actually old Xbox 360. Playing some COD. If you have other mobile games you want me to download, then play them. Link it down in the comment section. So I could play them, and I'll get your source of views, I guess. Probably one more. What do I want? I really want a jackpot. I don't want the comments. Special's alright. A rare's alright. A jackpot would be sick though. Nope. On a fresh stereo. To be honest, I really don't want her. Oh, already on a these freaking boost things. On that topic of games, I guess. Do you guys want me to upload a Clash Royale video? If you want me to, like the video so you know I get notified. Actually, subscribe if you want. Turn on those post notifications just to get notified when I upload. I might upload more because I haven't uploaded it in like really long time. Just said this might be my last one, probably, to make it my best one. I forgot most of my best scores. Oh wow, already. I think I just crashed my hoverboard, which explodes instead of like me dying or getting caught. Here's what I don't understand of this game. It's like the guard that's trying to get you. It's weird because he goes with you. Like, let's say you bump your head and you get a jetpack. It's like he's following you. Or like he runs fast. To be honest, he's pretty freaking fat. I wouldn't expect like a chubby person to go that fat. But he like goes like fast. That's what I don't understand. It's like if you have like a good score and you crash, like it makes no sense because he's following you. Does he have like a freaking jetpack with him too? And that makes no sense. Oh wow. Waste of a hoverboard. If you play this game, tell me your best score. Oh god, it's pretty bad. If you guys play this game, make sure you comment your best score. Because I want to know your best scores. I'm eating a piece of my apple, which I cut. I don't know why. Okay, that's gonna top this video. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe and comment down below any other games. And I'll see you guys next time.